How to show or hide notification content on lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, in here, scroll down and then tap on an app. For example, tap on FaceTime. Then we scroll down and then go to the lock screen appearance and tap on Show Previews. In here, if you want to show the notification content on the lock screen, you would select Always. To hide the content, select Never. So if you select Never, the notifications still appear on the lock screen, but the content will be hidden. And that's it. So you can choose that, Always or Never, or only show when your phone is unlocked. So when the lock screen is unlocked, but you're still on the lock screen, it will show the content. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.